Problem?
I don't think it's a good time, and I don't think it's a good time to be filming.
You don't think it's a good time to film?
No. I don't even think it's a good time to talk right now, to be honest.
Well, what's your problem?
It's been one thing after another this week and last week. I said we got the truck, bent the rim on a pothole, had to replace that. Stinking frickin' hedge trimmers. I go to do a job for family, that won't run. Chainsaw won't run. Has a piston broken in. So there's $1,000 between those three things right there. It's just one of those. It's ridiculous. I don't know what it is. Is it like bad karma? Is it just where you just
Well,
let it go?
all those things that you're mentioning were old.
It doesn't matter. They're well taken care of. I take care of everything. I change the oil and everything. Tire pressures, chainsaws. I don't know what else to do. Everything, I guess, breaks. I guess you got to think of it that way. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Again, that's why I'm just here having a little meltdown, sitting here with my feet in the water, enjoying the
And
calm.
you're melting down now because why? I mean, these things happened during the week. So why are all of a sudden everything's getting to you now?
Well, these things are supposed to be connected.
Well, is it just a matter of maybe something needs to be tightened?
Yeah. It's been done over and over and over again.
Oh, so this is something that's stripped?
No, it's not stripped. I keep cutting back the tip on these and refeeding it in there and tightening it. I've replaced the hoses in them. I've replaced the heads in it. I've replaced the motor. I've done everything to save us money. It's not.
Well, we're retired. We're on a fixed income, so you better.
I know all this.
I mean, don't get the duct tape, but you better figure out something to do. How much do these things cost?
Well, about $1,000.
Oh.
Why do you think I do all the work on them?
Well, can you take it to a pool place and they can fix it?
Yeah, I can take it there, and then they're going to charge me $100 an hour to fix it. So, or $100 an hour to come out and change the pump. I mean, logically speaking, I'm doing everything I can for everything that breaks, just as a last resort to take it to somebody to get it fixed.
Well, you remember when we talked about brand deals briefly? Do you remember what I was telling you? There's brand deals that you can do.
Yeah.
Well, Ashley, she did a deal with I guess a pool company. She got a free robotic pool cleaner. And
well, good for them. That's not us getting a free one.
no, but I had told her that we might be interested in something like that. So she emailed them and she told them that we would be interested, and they replied to her and they said that they didn't think our channel was a good fit.
And why did you choose to tell me this now?
Well, I just thought that, we were discussing...
Oh, I don't want to hear that, especially when somebody's talking crap on us. I mean, we're not good enough for them. We're not adequate enough for them. We can't provide a good video for them. What is it? What else was it?
Well,
tell me everything. Don't hide.
I can't remember verbatim what it said. She showed it to me. That it was email. It was either something about us, our channel not being a good fit, and first of all, I don't think they checked our videos out because we have a lot of pool videos.
But how can we not be a good fit? We have a pool. Isn't this thing a pool robot or something? So that's the perfect fit.
I don't know, hon. I really don't know. All I know is well, no, wait a minute. I think that towards the end they said that if we had any kind of suggestions or idea or something, I don't know. I don't know how it was worded, but I just thought that maybe if you wanted to reach out to them.
I'm not reaching out, and then kiss my ass. There's no way in heck I'm reaching out to them. If we're not good enough in the initial email, did they send that to you or to her?
They sent it to her. She showed it to me.
Yeah, okay, yeah. We'll come up. Let's come up with a great brainstorming idea so to sell their video or whatever the heck, or do a video for them, give them ideas, and then they're gonna use it or give it to somebody else to do. That's not even smart business. I mean, that's like treating your. Never mind. I'm not even talking about it. I just gotta fix this thing.
Is that all the pool water that's coming out?
Yeah.
And it's just going to steady come out like that?
I gotta hook it up again. But I don't understand.
So you don't want to.
I would not call them. You know, there's no reason for me to call them. I'm not giving them any ideas or anything. So this is all I'm going to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this back together again. I'll rebuild this thing, and I will get as much out of it as I can because I know we're on tight finances. All right? Does that work for you?
Well, we're not on tight finances. We're just on a fixed income, and we can't.
Thousands of dollars in the last 2 weeks. Just in the last 2 weeks, it's $1,000 of breakdowns.
Yes, I get that.
Do you get that, honestly?
I'm the one that said it to you. I don't understand.
But do you get it, though? That if it wasn't for me replacing these or repairing these things and fixing things, it would be $3,000 or $4,000 or whatever. It's just the way it works. I try to fix things and make them right. And then we got jackass companies in there that want to jerk us around and tell them, oh, come up with a video for us. Come up with an idea for us. And then we'll use it against or have somebody else do it because you're not adequate.
So what are you saying? You're saying that you don't want to do any kind of brand deals?
No, I don't have a problem if a brand deal is a good fit for us. But I'm not having a company say that we're not adequate and we got to be on their standards. If we had an idea and they had a brand that we could use, would be a great idea. We could put together something. But to start off that video or that email
is not good business, is it?
It's not good business. It's not good business at all. So, yeah, look. Oh, okay. I thought that hose was split too. So there. I will do my best to fix everything I can. Okay?
Okay.
Now I'm gonna go and try to enjoy things. Okay? Because I don't think it was a good. What was that for?
That was to cool you off a little bit.
Literally or figuratively?
Both. But guess what?
What?
It doesn't work anymore.
What doesn't work anymore?
The free robot
That
thing that they got for the pool.
That makes me feel a lot better. Not for Jess and Ash to have it not work for them, but serves that company right. Well, hopefully they come out with and fix it.
So you cooled off now?
Yeah, I'm really cooled off, to be honest with you. I think I got an innie right now. The water's so cold. And before you had that idea to push me in, did you remember that I broke my new glasses last week, and then you pushed me in a pool with my only other glasses I have? Oops. Not that they would have broke, but there's always a possibility with the concrete.
Sorry.
Did you think it out?